What's up everyone? In this video we're gonna be unboxing the Mr. Beast chocolates and we're gonna see if we win something. And stay till the end because I'll be giving away one of the codes so you can have a chance in winning something that he is gonna give, right? First of all, gotta bring my knife. Let's try to open this bad boy. Oh, I like that, I like that. Just gotta drink that tea because I'm a little bit sick, so. Ooh. We have a box. We have a box and paper. I don't know why they put that in there. Yeah, we have a, what is this? Mr. Beast Bar Festival.com sticker, looks like it. We gotta show all the features, right, you know? So as you can see, we have all the nutritions and all that for any of you it's interesting. I don't know, I always like to inspect, oh shoot, the whole box before anything. And it comes with 6 type of flavors: almond, chocolate, well, I don't know what that says, and original chocolate. Yes, baby. So pardon the laptop. Frick, how am I supposed to do this? Oh! All right, so let's get started. First chocolate, we have the, what's it called? The Mystery Beast Almond Chocolate. And this is the code that I'll be giving away at the end of this video, so please stay till the end. And this is our code. So we just gotta put that in the computer and we shall see if we win. Let's see what's inside of this. Oh man. Ooh, okay. Where's my ticket? I'm supposed to get a ticket, no? Share, devour. Ooh, I like that. I like that idea, Mr. Beast. So let's see how it tastes. So, I would say it's pretty good. It has like a, how can I tell you? Like a milky, I kind of had like a milky, raw, you know, like expired milk type of thing. I love the texture. Not too hard, not too soft. It's just pretty perfect, I would say. That chocolate is like dark chocolate with almond, so pretty good. So we're gonna be inputting the 8-digit code. Submit. Man, that chocolate's pretty good. No cap, it is pretty good, guys. Spin to win. What do I win? Oh, I won. You won a mystery video from Mr. Beast. Let me see a video. Okay, so let's see this video.
Feastables, and our first product is a chocolate bar. Whatever I see. Which one do you do, scan?
I like it. I like the chocolates. Pretty good. So this is the one I'll be saving for you guys, for you to have the chance in winning. See how that focus? You love that autofocus? Yes, I do. Next flavor is the, has 5 ingredients, is the quinoa crunch chocolate. No way, what? That's what I thought, that's what I thought. That's what I would do if I was winning the prize. Anyways, look at that. Oh, madre. Oh, these are my favorite one. I love, I don't know how you call it in English. It's like arroz inflado. You know, you guys know. I kind of don't like that they're dark chocolate, but I mean, it's pretty good. It's so hard to peel off, man. I don't know if you guys saw that TikTok where this guy got his chocolates and the UPS or whoever delivered them. Walmart, I think. I don't know how he got them through Walmart. It didn't even have the stickers on. It just had the chocolates. I think that's so super random. So next up, the next code. Let's see. Imagine we win that Tesla. Man, too much sugar. Kind of hurting my stomach or my throat. X8DJ2P. Come on, I wish I could just click enter. Spin to win. Come on, boy, let's go, let's get it. Oh, I won? You won a code for $10 off a Feastable bundle. I guess. I'm not gonna use it, so if you guys want to try this chocolates, they're pretty good. So there's the code, 10% off. Got you, boys. Continue. Next one. What is this? Original chocolate. Mr. Beast original chocolate. No, finally something good. This is milk chocolate, normal. Imagine I just start putting random numbers and I get something. Like, bro, that would be funny. Spin the wheel. Spin the wheel. Okay. Just making sure I'm recording, you know. Oh, I gotta finish my tea though. I won? You won a code for $5 off Feastable at Go Puff. I mean, I guess. Thank you. There's another code for you guys if you want it. Oh, this tea is so horrible, honestly. Spin to win. Hey, let's go, let's get it. Not win. Oh, frick. My tea. Spin to win. Let's get it, boys. Let's just get it. Ah, come on, bro. 3-2 PP. No, that's not funny. Spin to win. You know what? I want to see what the code says. I want to, not a winner. 3MZ. Come on, let's get it. Come on, Mr. Beast. Make me that winner. Make me that lucky winner, bro. Come on back. Oh, I don't know if I could say that. Spin to win. Give me that chocolate. I mean, give me that. No, not a winner. Kind of want to hack the system, but I don't know how. What if we do this? Bam! Oh, I won that. You know, I always done that. Oh, come on. Yeah, it's fine, it's fine. I just like to make sure. I just like to be sure. When we're on the last chocolate. Not a winner. I am. Definitely feels like a scam to me. Finally. It's kind of neat that they did it like this, so you don't have to be opening all the chocolates. Because that would be a waste. I mean, a lot of people would have done that. Just open it, probably threw it away on the trash for the codes. I mean, I don't know. I'm just saying. 8PVDRZG2. Come on. Just make me that lucky winner. Make me the lucky winner. I'll drink it all. Nope. Did not win anything. And the last one. The one for you guys. I'm just gonna use it. Not just kidding. Here it is. I'm gonna give it to you guys. Please just give it a like, cause why not, you know? Cause come on, man. Just help a brother out. Okay, so hear me out. It's gonna be 7 CZ6GRJ3. Here it is. for you guys to win and have a chance in winning something. So yeah, check it out. And if you guys like this video, just give it a like, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Because if you're watching this video, it's because you like my videos, right? That should be all. Oh, frick.